Introducing the 2018 Opel Astra SRI 1.6 CUTi, a sleek and powerful hatchback in classic black. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and lane departure warning, this car offers both comfort and safety. Plus, the ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system ensure peace of mind on the road. The chrome package and spoiler add a touch of style, while the warranty and health check guarantee reliability. Don't miss out on this fantastic vehicle. Call us today or visit opelnaas.ie for more information. Upgrade your drive with the Opel Astra SRI 1.6 CDI now.